सब्सक्राइब करें बॉलीवुड न्यूज़ यूट्यूब चैनल पर और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें to get all the latest gossips and updates on Bollywood. Welcome to Bollywood News. Priyanka Chopra, who has already written her name in golden letters, not just in India but across the world, has made her debut at the red carpet of Cannes Film Festival 2019, and how. The actress was already teasing her fans by sharing a sneak peek into her preparations for her first Cannes look. And now that she's here, she has stolen the show. PC, through a series of Instagram posts, hinted that she'll be creating the iconic looks of Princess Diana, Princess Grace of Monaco, and Sophia Loren. She shared their red carpet walks through her post and left the fans waiting for her appearance at the gala event. The actress opted for an off-shoulder red and black outfit to set the red carpet on fire. She looked nothing but a walking dream. Check out her pictures here. And what do you think about Priyanka's look? Do let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
क्या फोन कर हाँ सब खत्म हो जाएगा जल्दी सेंटर में और पे अरे मोबाइल जी सबूत सामने सामने जी सबूत बोल रहे ऊपर प्रियंका जी ऊपर इसी ऊपर बालकनी में सुमित सर कहाँ गए इसी बालकनी में सुमित सर बोलिए अरे मोबाइल यार क्या कर रहे हैं हमारे एक बात नहीं रही है, वाइट करके छोड़ दो।